got plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry.
That's cool. What you got, babe?
I think we can make this work.
Yeah. All right, let's take it.
Like that, and then there we go.
Yeah.
I'm doing this thing.
I remember a time where you would have never done something like this.
The date night was great. Fun fact, we found out that pan-fried chicken is really smothered chicken, and roasted chicken is deep-fried chicken.
That might just be an Ohio thing. In any case, I didn't think there was anything else to learn about chicken.
Yep, that was a learning curve, but those subtle differences in something so common, that is why I would like to travel. This morning we set out to get those supplies for that toilet upgrade we were talking about. Did you enjoy that sneak peek?
Oh yeah?
To see what really happened in that parking lot, you're just going to have to wait till our next episode. Now, the day's adventure is over. Stay tuned to see more of that beautiful Ohio landscape.
We unpacked all of those boxes you see right there. Oh yeah, now that we're back, you get to meet the couple that the two couples that helped us get unhitched earlier.
However, we do need to get ready to pull out of here in the morning.
All right, now that you're backing it up all pretty like.
Time to get some NOS.
There's no nice.
In my head, baby, we be cruising. Oh, oh, oh. Na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na, na 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 na. Oh, yeah, you my sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. Yeah, yeah, you know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets. Yeah, holding you, holding me. Is it love? You and me, yeah. Got me tangled up all in these sheets. Holding you, holding me. Is it love?
We were in Ohio for 4 days. Now back in New Jersey, a brother and sister
That we've never met before.
said that we can park at their property for the week.
The only problem is the hurricane that just passed by knocked out their power and water.
I'm so glad we went the long way around.
Yes, traveling without a map is fun. But we're going to roll with the punches, and I'm just happy we made it.
True, rather be safe than anything else. Well, we'll just have to see how it goes and let you know in the next episode.
And here's the footage that we promised you of the Ohio countryside.
More Roku.
Baby sheeps.
Come ride the big horse.
Look at the little bitties. We were too fast. I didn't get them. There's a baby. Oh, I didn't see these baby cows.